next up, Duty to the Country for Lab Rat. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this we need to search YBL1 and uncover what happened to Long Vong. Whoops. So this is super simple, just make your way all the way over to YBL1, preferably using Lima 1 as the entrance, as we can come all the way up and use the secret entrance over here. I don't think you can get there otherwise, you might need to use this secret entrance, so that's what we'll be doing now. Alright, so I'm approaching the secret entrance over here. We've made our way up to this hole in the fence, and we'll head in here, then turn right. You should encounter pretty much no enemies in this direction, however, once you drop down the secret entrance, there is no way out. You need to fight your way through pretty much the entirety of YBL1 and make it out the other side. You could probably come here without anything and just hop in, do the quest, and get back home the fast way, but where's the fun in that? So making our way down here, the one-way entrance, we'll head in here, then left, and right over here we should find the person that we're looking for. We'll hold F to inspect and report, and once we do, that's it. Now our task is complete. All we need to do is get out of here. Fortunately, you can't do it the way that we came in. You need to go down here, continue. So we'll hop down, find our way out. And once you make it back to spawn, either the fast way or the slow way, you should be able to hand in the quest. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.